What's up, you guys? It's Simone Flawless back with another video. Welcome to my channel. Sorry for not, fully introducing myself. So I decided to do a basically like a skincare or like how I take off my makeup video. I don't really know what to call it. I have to be 1,000 with y'all. What I use on my face, the regimen that I use when I do finally like do a full regimen. If I can keep the product for 6 months or so, cool. Well, makeup expensive, skincare is expensive. So, okay. But yeah, please like, share, and comment. Anybody that's dealing with skin issues or that always had sensitive skin, like that's been me all my life. These keloids, no, I didn't get burnt. They just literally grew, and then the more I scratch them, the more grow. And that's my motivation for y'all. Like, whatever's happening in your life, keep going. Keep doing what you were doing before it happened, because that's the only way you're going to stay on track or get back on track. Like, seriously. So the more appear. So it's not good to scratch your keloids. People think I done had surgery. They think I got stabbed. They think something happened to me. No. I had clear skin, a clear chest growing up. And then I woke up one day and started seeing that. But I call them my beauty marks. For some reason, my chest is just, I need to protect myself for some reason. Like, I don't know. I always try to put things into like a spiritual perspective or like a positive. Even if it's a negative, I'm a Libra, so we always like flip it back to positive as much as we can. What, Stinky?
She mad 'cause she can't get to me.
I always gotta find something to put in her mouth. I'll be back when it's time for me to take off my makeup. Later. Okay, what's up, you guys? I'm back. But this is the kit that I use. It's kind of dingy. This is the kit that I use to cleanse my face. The brand is Sunday Riley. Guys, I just drank some elderberry wine. I'm extremely lightweight, so if my eyes looking weird, if I'm talking a little weird, or because I already talk weird, that's why I hear. But yeah, this is what's all in the package or in the bundle deal. I paid $100 for this. This is the cleanser. Face oil. Acne treatment oil, And this is the moisturizer, I believe. For sure. This is a serum. Now, have I used a serum? Maybe once or twice. It's a smaller one, of course, but they come in like different sizes or whatever. But I just feel like, why not try the whole package? If one thing worked for me, like when I had bad skin, like this is what truly cleared up my acne. Let me stop playing. Dead ass, this. I was like, fuck that spot treatment shit. I'm gonna put it all over this shit and see what's going on. I use it twice a day, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. So don't say I never taught y'all nothing. Ooh, I look like I feel how I look. Baby. My candle almost out, but lighting the candle for the vibe. Purr. Why did I drink before I did this? Tipsy. I'm not drunk. If I was drunk, I would not be talking to y'all. Okay, I'm back for the AM, PM, and as needed. Explains each product to you, which of course it explains it on the bottle also. So, just in case you're not paying attention, here it is. All right, let me stop. Don't give me no drinks. Yeah, I have so much fun by myself. Products was a little bit more bigger. Just a tad bit more bigger. Just a tad bit. Okay. Rinsing it off. Something I also want to show y'all. So necessary, just do it one more time. It's necessary. We're getting all this off. My baby's coming. She getting sleepy or something. Okay. My face feels so good. So, serum is next. A couple pumps. See, I'm playing too much. I'm wasting this damn product. I'll do a couple pumps. 4 or 5. I try to go up on my face. But you know, gravity always pulling everything down. So lost my balance. Okay, it says can be followed up with the UFO acne treatment face oil. This is the oil. Blemishes for sure. That's how I cleanse my face at night. In the morning, we'll do it again. But of course, with the AM routine. But this is what you get from using these products. Sunday Raleigh. The last thing I'm gonna do, which you don't say do this, but I think you can use this at any time, honestly. But yeah, just putting it on my blemishes. And you can sleep in this or just wait till it dries and then remove it. I just noticed those areas like, I don't want to see that shit. I'm gonna let this sit. And tomorrow I'll show y'all how it looks, how my face looks. But good night. Thank you guys for tuning in. Happy Halloween, because Halloween is like Sunday. Yeah, I don't really celebrate that shit, but I might step out. I don't know. But yeah, y'all have a good night. Like, share, subscribe. Simone out.